This is February 14, 2016. This is going to be Friday, week ending February 19, 2016. Folks, it's going to be exciting this week. I want to show you some stuff in the S&P. www.wetttraderllc.com. I'm stoked. We're trying to pound this thing out. Trying to find a bottom here, folks. I told you, here was my retest. 1804, came back down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We gapped up over the line. So now here's our retracement levels on sells. So a couple things could happen here. Now I was hoping that this was going to be a reversal pattern. Folks, we need a reversal pattern for the market to reverse. I don't care what anybody tells you. The market needs a reversal pattern. It doesn't reverse on a dime. Obviously, this here you think would be a reversal, yes. And I thought this was a head and shoulder right here, and it did. We had a good fakie. We broke out, we retest, but we failed it. Like I said, we had to keep above this high right here. And we came back down, had a nice sell in the software. That's what I like about the software. Even when I'm wrong, the software's right. So even when you're wrong, the software will be right because it will trade with the trend. So when the trend reverses, the software will automatically. So let me show you what we got set up for this week. We're still trying to get this bottoming to come out. There's a couple things that we can do. Either one, we got this horizontal line right here. So, and then we're going to have this horizontal line right here. Okay. So if we come back up in this area, this is going to be a double bottom. Real close to two lows, 1804 and a quarter, 1802.50. We did have a buy at 1804 over here. We retested it. We made one tick lower. I mean, it doesn't break the fact that that's very good support right there. But like I said, I don't really want to wait this long for the market to tell me it's going to reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down a smaller time frame. Okay, folks, smaller time frames. This is a 240. Same thing. We have the same action here. We got this 1877 now, so this looks a little bit different in the market than the chart we just showed you, doesn't it, folks? Does look a little different. This one actually gets me excited too, because now if you're going to look at the big picture here, this was that other bottom here. I drew that line across. So that other high is way up here, okay? I need to know down here what's going on. So I'm still looking for that reversal pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is going to be either an ABC. 1, 2, 3. It's going to be something. But how do we know if it's a reversal pattern? I'll tell you why. It's got to be, we got to shake out some shorts. We got to shake out some shorts. And it's the same thing, folks. Look on the left side. If I'm going to have a head and shoulder coming, now I don't know, but I always love to do this. If I'm going to have a head and shoulder coming, these are the areas that I'm going to be needing to bring some price support action into, okay? So this would be my left shoulder. This would be my head right here. This would be my right shoulder, right? And now that would be a reversal. Because then what we're doing is we're breaking the trend, definition of a trend. Higher highs, higher lows. Right now, let me get rid of this for a second. Right now, all we have here is a downtrend, correct? We have a high here, a low. Now what I'm doing is I'm counting significant highs and lows. Now I'll show you something. We got a nice little tool on here that can help you do that. Bam! See, so here, this is set at 5-day. Let me see if I can change this a little bit. This is the big trend that I'm looking at right here. See this higher high? Here we go. Lower low by a small amount. Okay? So what's going to happen here, folks? We're going to come up here. We're either going to retest this high here at 1877 and then try to find support. So we have a high, a low, a high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high than the previous high, lower low, lower high still, because we're still lower on here. As long as this is red, that means we're still in a sell mode. That's where you can't trick the software, folks. You can't trick Wett Trader, LLC.com, baby. So what we want to do here is, obviously we had a gap open here. We're gapping above these lines. So I want to see some good support on this market. And so I want to, now this is a 60-minute. Like I said, we got this area here, which we're going to retest this area here. So now that we got all the visual stuff, guys, what about the data, baby, the data? The data. 60.75, we did this here. Okay, see? So now I'm looking at my daily data. Now this is Friday's close right here, folks. Friday's close. So if I'm trading for Monday, I want to use Friday's close. Friday's PP is 47. So we close at 60. So if there's anything I want to do that I can make money at, I can buy this thing. I can buy this thing that says right here, trade day, low. Come on, folks. So what's that mean? We got to go to a high, low, high, low, high. The market, the software does it for you, folks. It does it for you. So if I need to run this to a 5-bar high, I can buy this PP all day. So this is a good area. 47.75, we hit the PP 90% of the time, plus or minus 5 points. So anything we bought here would be something to maybe possibly run to 73, okay? Now, it doesn't look like it's a breakout day, but anything can happen with these wild markets. Now, look at the weekly. 49. Now, our PP here is a little higher on the weekly. It's at 49. Our daily's at 47.75. That's interesting, folks. It's almost the same price. So, if you look at this, this is telling me that we have a probability to go to 1900. I mean, that'd be nice. We could hit. Now, this is a weekly where we're looking for a high, and this is where we're looking for some support. We still got our monthly numbers. We're going off of our last month numbers. We're at 1807. Now, like I said, we can't stay below there. We've traded all these numbers. We've traded the PP here, 1929 for the month. See, guys, these numbers work. 1807, 1802, I mean, if you can call the high and the low for the month by 4 points, sign me up, because I did right there, folks. www.wetttraderllc.com. Here's your weekly forecast. I think we're going to continue on. I think we got a short-term bottom on. We might have to retest. I'm looking for a reversal pattern. I want the market to tell me that we're done going down. I need to shake some of these sellers out. Shake them out, folks. Otherwise, bye. 47, we're back down here. So that's about where we got the support, where our PP is here at 49 and 47. These are good areas, folks. Good areas to buy. So stay tuned. www.wetttraderllc.com. This has been your forecast for 2016, February 19th. Have a great week, guys. Happy trading.